What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Luxury. Listen up. Today is a game changer. The crypto market is going wild right now, and a handful of altcoins are breaking out as we speak. I've spent hours analyzing hundreds of charts to find the best opportunities for you. These projects have strong fundamentals and are catching a massive wave of buying pressure. I've narrowed it down to the top 5 altcoins exploding today. We'll break down the charts, the reasons behind the pumps, and what could happen next. Ready to see which coins are making people rich? Let's dive in. First up, Solana, an absolute monster today. After months of uncertainty and sideways action, Solana has come roaring back onto the scene, capturing the attention of traders, investors, and developers alike. The energy in the market is palpable, and it feels like we're witnessing the start of something big. The chart is a sea of green, smashing through resistance like it's nothing. Every dip is being bought up instantly, and the momentum just keeps building. It's not just a technical move, there's real conviction behind this rally, and you can see it in the price action. Solana's network has been flawless lately. Lightning-fast transactions, ultra-low fees, and most importantly, zero outages. This is a huge turnaround from the network congestion and downtime issues that plagued Solana in the past. Now users and developers are experiencing a blockchain that just works, no matter how busy things get. Confidence is back, and big money is pouring in. We're seeing institutional investors, hedge funds, and even traditional finance players making significant moves into Solana. This isn't just retail hype. This is serious capital flowing into the ecosystem, signaling a renewed belief in Solana's long-term potential. DeFi platforms like Jupiter and Marinade are seeing record liquidity, and the NFT scene is buzzing again. New collections are launching, trading volumes are surging, and artists are flocking back to Solana for its speed and affordability. The ecosystem is alive with innovation, and users are reaping the benefits. Major institutions are quietly accumulating SOL, and on-chain data confirms it. Wallets linked to large funds are steadily increasing their holdings, and the smart money is positioning itself for what could be a massive run. This kind of accumulation is a strong signal that the rally has real legs. Solana just broke a major psychological resistance, triggering a classic breakout pattern. Technical analysts are calling for even higher targets, and the breakout is attracting new traders who don't want to miss the next big move. Social media is in full FOMO mode, fueling a feedback loop of hype and buying. Influencers, analysts, and everyday investors are all talking about Solana, and the buzz is spreading fast. This kind of viral excitement can drive prices even higher in the short term. Developer activity is at an all-time high, with new projects launching daily. From DeFi protocols to NFT marketplaces and gaming platforms, the Solana ecosystem is expanding at a rapid pace. The talent and creativity pouring into the network are setting the stage for long-term growth. This isn't just a pump, it's a fundamental re-rating of the ecosystem. The market is recognizing Solana's improvements, its growing user base, and the sheer scale of activity happening on-chain. It's a shift in how Solana is valued, not just a short-term spike. The volume is massive, confirming the move. High trading volume means there's real interest and participation, not just bots or manipulation. This kind of volume is what sustains rallies and keeps the momentum going. Solana is putting the market on notice, and it's only just getting started. With all these factors aligning, the future looks incredibly bright for Solana and its community. That's why it's our #1 pick for this cycle. Solana is back, and it's leading the charge into the next era of crypto innovation. Next up, let's talk about Polygon, Matic, the undisputed powerhouse when it comes to scaling Ethereum. In a world where blockchain congestion and high fees are the norm, Polygon has emerged as the go-to solution, earning its title as the scaling king. While the rest of the crypto world was distracted or waiting for the next big thing, Polygon was quietly building an empire behind the scenes. Today's explosive price action is a testament to years of relentless development, strategic partnerships, and a vision that's finally paying off. The recent surge in Matic's price is no accident. It's being driven by a massive shift toward Layer 2 solutions, as Ethereum's gas fees continue to skyrocket and users desperately seek faster, cheaper alternatives. Polygon's technology is perfectly positioned to capture this demand. Polygon's suite of scaling technologies is turning heads, especially with the highly anticipated move to Polygon 2.0 and the introduction of the new Pol token. These upgrades promise even greater scalability, security, and utility, and investors are taking notice in a big way. But it's not just about tech. Polygon's partnerships with global giants like Starbucks, Reddit, and Nike are bringing millions of new users into the Web3 ecosystem. These collaborations are more than just headlines. They're onboarding real people and real businesses into the world of decentralized apps. On-chain metrics are flashing green across the board. Daily active addresses are climbing, transaction volumes are hitting new highs, and the network is seeing unprecedented levels of activity. This isn't just speculation, there's real organic growth happening on Polygon right now. Technically, Matic just broke through a key moving average, a classic signal that often marks the start of a new bullish trend. Traders and analysts are watching closely, and many believe this could be the beginning of a much larger move. Polygon's cutting-edge ZK EVM technology is setting new standards for blockchain scaling. By leveraging zero-knowledge proofs, Polygon is able to offer faster, more secure, and more private transactions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in decentralized finance and beyond. The developer community is thriving like never before. New decentralized apps are launching every week, and the demand for Matic is being driven by real innovation. Hackathons, grants, and a supportive ecosystem are fueling a wave of creativity on Polygon. Influencers, analysts, and even traditional finance experts are calling Polygon undervalued. Social media is buzzing with bullish sentiment, and this positive coverage is only adding fuel to the rally. Today's breakout isn't just hype, it's the result of real-world utility, major partnerships, and undeniable technical strength. Polygon is proving that it's not just another blockchain project, but a foundational piece of the Web3 revolution. As the Web3 ecosystem continues to expand, Polygon stands at the center, connecting users, developers, and businesses worldwide. The scaling king is surging, and it's only just getting started. Third, Avalanche, AVAX. All about speed, scalability, and custom blockchains. AVAX is rocketing through resistance, thanks to its innovative Subnet architecture. Subnets let projects launch custom blockchains, attracting major gaming studios and financial institutions. Recent partnerships, like with a global bank for asset tokenization, are huge. Subnet growth is driving on-chain activity and demand for AVAX. Avalanche's gaming ecosystem is booming, bringing in new users and capital. AVAX just broke a multi-month downtrend with massive volume. The Avalanche Rush program kickstarted a thriving DeFi ecosystem. Developer and community support is strong, with Ava Labs constantly shipping updates. Capital is rotating into Avalanche as investors seek the next big thing. The combination of subnet innovation, real-world adoption, and technical breakout makes AVAX a top contender. Avalanche is finally getting the recognition it deserves. Fourth, Chainlink. Link, the backbone of crypto's data infrastructure. Chainlink has been a cornerstone in the blockchain ecosystem, providing reliable and secure oracles that feed real-world data into smart contracts. This functionality is crucial for decentralized finance (DeFi) applications, where accurate data is paramount. Link is breaking out of a year-long range, signaling a new uptrend. This breakout is not just a technical indicator, but a reflection of growing confidence in Chainlink's capabilities and future potential. Investors are starting to recognize the value that Chainlink brings to the table. Chainlink's oracles power nearly every major DeFi and NFT project. These projects rely on Chainlink to provide tamper-proof data, ensuring the integrity and reliability of their operations. Without Chainlink, the DeFi and NFT ecosystems would struggle to function efficiently. The launch of CCIP, its cross-chain protocol, is a game-changer for interoperability. CCIP allows different blockchains to communicate seamlessly, breaking down barriers and enabling a more connected and efficient blockchain ecosystem. This is a significant step forward in the evolution of blockchain technology. CCIP adoption means more fees for Link stakers, turning Link into a revenue-generating asset. This new revenue stream is attracting more investors and stakers, further solidifying Chainlink's position in the market. DeFi 2.0 protocols need Chainlink's advanced data feeds more than ever. As DeFi evolves, the demand for accurate and reliable data increases, and Chainlink is perfectly positioned to meet this demand. This ensures that Chainlink remains an integral part of the DeFi landscape. The staking upgrade is locking up more Link, creating a supply shock. With more Link being staked, the circulating supply decreases, potentially driving up the price as demand continues to grow. This dynamic is creating a favorable environment for Link holders. Real-world asset tokenization is a massive narrative, and Chainlink is the go-to solution. By providing the necessary data infrastructure, Chainlink enables the tokenization of assets like real estate and commodities, opening up new opportunities for investors and revolutionizing traditional markets. Social sentiment has flipped bullish, with the Link Marines back in action. The community's enthusiasm is palpable, and their support is a strong indicator of Chainlink's potential for future growth. The Link Marines are known for their unwavering support and belief in the project. The technical breakout after long consolidation sets the stage for a major rally. This breakout is a clear signal that Link is poised for significant upward movement, attracting both traders and long-term investors looking to capitalize on this momentum. Years of building are paying off. Chainlink is essential infrastructure. The dedication and hard work of the Chainlink team have positioned the project as a critical component of the blockchain ecosystem. Their continuous innovation and development efforts are now bearing fruit. The combination of new products, value accrual, and market dominance makes Link a top pick. Analysts are recognizing the strategic advantages that Chainlink holds, making it a highly attractive investment opportunity in the crypto space. The giant is awake. Don't miss it. Chainlink's resurgence is a testament to its foundational strength and future potential. This is a pivotal moment, and those who recognize it early stand to benefit immensely. Finally, Pepe Coin, Pepe. The meme king is back. Pepe is going parabolic, driven by pure speculation and social momentum. The power of memes is real, and Pepe the Frog is crypto royalty. Whales started accumulating, influencers spread the word, and FOMO took over. Trading volumes are exploding, and PP is dominating social media. The project's fair launch and decentralized ethos attract retail investors. PP just broke a key resistance, triggering a wave of buy orders. Meme coins thrive on hype, and Pepe's community is relentless. New exchange listings are adding fuel to the fire. This is high risk, high reward, more a trade than an investment. The return of degen appetite signals a new wave of market speculation. If you can stomach the volatility, PP is today's wildest opportunity. The meme coin mania is back in full force. There you have it, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Chainlink, and the wild card, Pepe Coin. These are the top 5 altcoins breaking out right now. The market moves fast. Don't wait and regret missing these opportunities. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more time-sensitive updates. We cut through the noise to bring you the best in crypto. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.